Let's begin. So, it was the way of proclaiming the end of the power wielded by the wearers of knee breeches. These Jacobins came to be known as the Sans Clotus. Now understand this, it's very important. Means the end of the power wielded means like they proclaim this power and wearer of knee breeches. These Jacobins became to be known as the Sans Clotus. Literally means those without the knee breeches. Sans means without, Clotus means like breeches. So means these the member of these Jacobin clubs they were called the Sans Clotus. Why? क्योंकि वो full पैजामे पहनते थे और जो रिच क्लास थी वो हाफ पहनते थे. Sans Clotus means wore in addition the red cape and symbolized liberty. साथ साथ वो क्या करते थे? Sans Clotus men wore, they used to wear in addition the red cape and symbolized liberty. Women however were not allowed to do this. Women ऐसा कोई ड्रेस नहीं पहनती थी. So in summer 1792, Jacobin planned a insurrection of the large number of Persians who were angered by the short supplies of high price of food. Means what happened in summer. This was all about the Jacobin club. Now the full power with the Jacobin people or the political who were activists in society. So in 1792 what happened? Jacobin planned the insurrection of the large number of Persian. Insurrections का मतलब है कि उन्होंने against में हो गए. ठीक है. Number of Persians who were angered by the short supply of price of food, क्योंकि खाने की कमी हो गई. Short supply of food. One of the morning, August 10, they stormed the palace of Tuileries, massacred the king and guard, and held the king himself as a hostage for several hours. उन्होंने वहाँ अटैक किया, राजा को बंदी बनाया, अपने पास रखा. उसका कारण क्या था? क्योंकि वो राजा को नहीं चाहते थे. Later the assembly voted imprisoned the royal family. बाद में उन्होंने पूरी royal family को imprison कर दिया, कैद कर दिया. Elections were held from now on. All men 21-year-old above regardless of wealth got right to vote. अभी क्या हुआ? 1792. In 1792 totally picture changed. अभी इतना लंबा टाइम भी नहीं हुआ था. 1791 में क्या था? New assembly was passed, an active citizen, passive citizen we have seen. But in 1792 what happened? New kind of a thing changed. Means king was dethroned, family was you can say imprisoned, and new system came ahead. Like 21-year person was allowed to cast his or her vote. The newly elected assembly now this time was called what? It was called convention. Convention. It was called convention on 21st September 1719, it abolishes the monarchy and declared France a republic. Means second constitution or second political changes took place in 1792. Monarchy declared himself the republic. Means now till the time monarch was there, but the people arrest him, imprison him. Now what happened? They declare France as a what? Republic. Republic, you understand? Means they elected their leader themselves. And who was the elector? You can guess. Maximilian Robespierre. Because he was a powerful and club member, club leader also. As you know, the republic is form of government where people elect government, including the head of the government. So this was all about. So what happened later? There is no hereditary monarchy. अब monarchy नहीं थी. ठीक है, monarchy finish हुई. You can try and find out about some of other countries that are republic and investigate when and how they become so. This was the time when countries were converted from monarchy to republic. Louis XVI was sentenced to death. by the court and on charge of treason. लुई 16 के ऊपर आरोप लगा दिया किसका? देशद्रोह का. Treason means गद्दार, धोखेबाज. So in 21 January 1793 he was executed publicly at the Palace de la Concorde. 21 January को what happened in 1793 he was brought publicly and punished, and the queen married Antoinette met with the same fate shortly later. और साथ साथ उसकी वाइफ के साथ भी यही हुआ, उसको भी ऐसा ही पनिशमेंट दिया. क्या पनिशमेंट दिया? ये पनिशमेंट था प्लेस डी ला कॉन्कॉर्ड means one of the device was invented and by that particularly the person was beheaded. means एक डिवाइस बनाई गई जिसका नाम उन्होंने रखा गया गुलेटाइन. गुलेटाइन एक डिवाइस थी. सपोज दिस इज द वायर, you can understand this is the wire and two blades are here and you can see when the thread was dragged तो ये blades जो होते क्या थे, ये पास आते थे and the person was here and he was beheaded from there. So this was all about. In the next segment we will discuss reign of terror. Take the reading of the chapter.
No award this means injury.